Hi Elsa, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. What about you?
I'm great, thanks. Yesterday, I didn't see you in the park. Where were you?
Oh, yesterday. Yesterday was a good day for me. We went to our neighbor's house. I made a new friend. Her mother is a friendly woman. She told me you could come to our house anytime you want. I will play with Emma anytime I want to play.
That's great. Actually, the people in the neighborhood are very nice and friendly. You would make many friends. Would you like to discuss our neighbors today? They are an important part of our lives, aren't they?
You are right, Peter. We interact with our neighbors quite often. It's nice to know who is living around us.
Let's start with the Johns family next door. They are friendly people, aren't they?
They might be. I haven't met them. As you know, I am new here. I don't know them well.
Okay, I will tell you. Mr. and Mrs. John are always welcoming. And their kids, Sarah and Jim, are quite polite. Jim is my friend. They often help in community events.
That's great. We have helpful people around us. How about the elderly couple across the street, the Johnsons?
Mr. and Mrs. Johnsons are wonderful. Even though they are older, they are very active in the neighborhood. They have a quite big garden. There are fresh vegetables in their garden. They share it with neighbors.
It would be a pleasure for me to see them. What about the young couple who I met last day?
The young couple, the Parkers, they have just moved in last month. They seem very nice. They've just started to settle in.
I think we should invite them for community meet and greet.
That's a great idea, Elsa. We could introduce them to everyone in the neighborhood. There is another family, James. They have been here for a long time. Their daughter, Ava, is my sister's class fellow. I have met them a couple of times. They are very warm and friendly. Their daughter is a good student, I have heard.
I also see many pets there in our neighborhood.
Some of our neighbors keep dogs and cats as their pets. Smith family has monkey as a pet. I like the monkey.
I'm very excited to see the monkey. It's a different pet.
Yeah, it is. Our neighborhood is diverse and vibrant. Every neighbor contributes to its charm. We are lucky to have such good neighbors.
Yes, we are. It's important to appreciate our neighbors and help each other out when needed.
We share a community. We should build strong relationships with our neighbors.
Yes, we should. We can make our community a better place to live in, having strong relationships with our neighbors.